Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can fix the Chrome sync post error issue in 2025 on your Chrome web browser. So let us dive into this. I launched Google Chrome, guys, and if you have been experiencing this issue, you may do the following. So what you want to do is click into the three dots here in the top right, navigate to your browser settings. Here inside your browser settings, guys, navigate to privacy and security to the left. Here, click into site settings. And here in that menu, scroll all the way down till you get to the additional content settings. If you don't see them, simply expand that list. Now from here, click into on-device site data and make sure that here under default behavior, this option is enabled. Allow sites to save data on your device. And additionally, guys, you may also set a customized behavior by clicking into add here next to allow to save data on your device, and simply add a site, in this case here that URL, accounts.google.com. Let me just remove the capital letter here, click into add, and that should fix the issue, guys. I hope it did for you. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.